The 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.